What's your
My name is Maria Mayra Gomez.
How do you spell your family name?
I spelling family name is Jomec and Rodriguez.
Where are you from?
I from Colombia.
Are you working?
I am at the moment studying. It is interesting to learning from other countries because Colombia is developing country and reconciling culture, reconciling economic policies. What we have take care of it and protect it. It is interesting to learning from other countries because Colombia is developing country and economic policies. I enjoy spending free time with my family and fixing things at home that I haven't been able to do during the week.
What's the
The best way to improve my English is to practice reading, writing, listening to music, watching movies, and speaking in the English language every day. If I could learning a new skill, I would like to have language skill so I could understand more than half the world. If I could learning a new skill, I would like to have language skill so I could understand more the world. Over 400 people visited our library last month. The December program of the different terms on the books and the established Sunday hub model possible increase the numbers in visitors by 30%. Staff at the Sports Center are not available between 3 and 4 p.m. For, due to the fact that refer courses are taught in the sport fundamentals. Candidates should select on question only from each topic area. Therefore, they must be concrete. A new student have to be ready with Mr. Class by the end of Friday. Whoever doesn't will be left out. Provided that a key pen has been called and a story student may leave the classroom to avoid misunderstanding. What type of company to do majority of its student work in after finish their degree? Partner with other students and run micro business. Despite some initial questioning, the new laboratory had proven itself to be an excellent facility, highlighting the quality of instruments used to improve production. Environmentalists agree that the constant use of private vehicles will result in worsening air pollution. For this reason, it is necessary to look for models in which alternative energies such as wind power, electricity, among others, are used.
For this reason, it is necessary to look for models in which alternative energy, such as wind power,